Hi everyone! In this video, we will solve an equation using the distributive property. Here we have an equation where the variable is stuck inside a set of parentheses. To break it out, we can use the distributive property and the parentheses will drop off. So we'll multiply this into both terms. We end up with negative 7 times positive 5b, which gives us negative 35b. And negative 7 times positive 6 gives us negative 42, or subtract 42. And we still have the positive 13 and the negative 134. Now that the variable is no longer stuck inside the parentheses, we can continue simplifying by combining some like terms here. Negative 42 plus 13 gives us negative 29. So we have negative 35b minus 29 equals negative 134. Now to continue isolating the variable, we'll add 29 to both sides. Negative 29 or minus 29 plus 29 will cancel, leaving us with negative 35b on the left side. Combining the right side, negative 134 plus 29 in my calculator gives me negative 105. And the last step to isolate the b, we'll divide both sides by negative 35. Negative 35 divided by negative 35 cancels, so we get b equals, a negative divided by negative is positive, 105 divided by 35 is, in my calculator, gives me 3, so the solution is b equals 3. But we should always check our answer because we can always know if we got the correct answer by simply substituting it back into the original equation. So our original is negative 7 times 5b plus 6 plus 13 equals negative 134. And we will replace every time we see the variable with the solution we got of 3. So our substitution will be negative 7 times the quantity 5 times 3 plus 6, close parenthesis, plus 13 equals negative 134. Using the order of operations, we must do inside the parentheses first. That means I need to do the order of operations inside of there, so we will multiply before we add. This gives us 5 times 3, which is 15. So we have negative 7 times the quantity of 15 plus 6, close parenthesis, plus 13 equals negative 134. We still need to do inside the parentheses since they are still here, and that's the first step in the order of operations. So we get negative 7 times 15 plus 6 is 21, plus 13 equals negative 134. Now that we've completed all of the operations inside the parentheses, we can go ahead and multiply negative 7 times 21, which gives us, in my calculator, negative 147. And we still have plus 13 equals negative 134. Negative 147 plus 13 in my calculator, we can just subtract. That gives us negative 134, which equals negative 134. That tells us that our solution of b equals 3 is correct, and so we're all done.